Justice for Siddhi Naik. The TMC delegation has demanded termination of PI Nolasco Raposo and has given 24 hours to the Kalangut police to arrest the main accused or the accused person involved in Siddhi Naik death case. On Wednesday morning, the delegation of TMC get out the Kalangut police station and demanded disciplinary action and termination of services of PI Nolasco Raposo in the Siddhi Naik case for terming the case as a suicide. In a memorandum to Kalangut Police, TMC has requested to register offence for destruction of evidence. TMC has also given 24 hours ultimatum to the Kalangut PI to identify the accused person or persons and bring him or them to justice. They demanded an early end to the investigation in a proper manner.
आज आम्ही हे सिद्धी नाईक केसान जी मर्डर जाल्ली आणि जी हर this shove was on the police was on the beach, Kalangut beach, semi-nude. So regarding that, us TMC's delegates have gone to the police station. We have demanded with the new PI that this investigation has to be done seriously. It has to be done rapidly because now there is a 302 FIR against unknown person or persons. So these persons have to be identified within 24 hours. We cannot wait. 5 months are over and there's been destruction of evidence for the last 5 months. Viscera has not been preserved. There is lots that we are not able to do now because the destruction of evidence has taken place. So we want that the police station has to now pull up their socks. The PI has to pull up his socks. He is an honest PI. That is what we have come to know. And whatever the previous PI has not done, this PI now has to do over and above and make up for all of that because we want the name of the murderer. We want the identity of the murderer and we want that murderer to be brought to justice. Because I have also come to know from various other police stations in Goa that rapes are not reaching convictions. 70 rapes in 20 years, no conviction. 10 rapes in 5 years, no conviction. I will not mention the police station. So what is happening in Kalangut also, if we find out if we find out from the RTIs, God knows what we are going to find out, whether they are even investigating anything. You cannot illogically say that one person died and it is suicide. It is illogical. That kind of conclusion is illogical. They have made it. So we, of course, condemned it at that time also. Everybody, thank God for the people of Goa. They raised their voice. That's why this has happened. Government never raised its voice. So now we are saying we are not going to leave it just because one FIR is filed, just because PI Raposo is suspended. He was suspended in another case, Soza Lobo case. But in this Siddhi Naik case, he was not suspended. Please remember. We want termination of PI Raposo.
Introduce yourself, please.
I'm Advocate Siola Vaz from Fatwarda. So we want all this. We have demanded, and Madam Avita will also say.
What PI has said? What PI has replied?
PI has replied saying that he is going to investigate. He is going to honestly investigate. He said he is going to rapidly investigate also. He has taken our memorandum on record, and he has assured us that it is going to happen.
आज आम्ही कलंगूट पोलीस स्टेशनार येयल्ली जी सिद्धी नायकाची केस असली ती पयली सुसायड म्हणून रेजिस्टर जाल्ली आसा आणि आता PI ट्रान्सफर सस्पेंड जावच्या पयली तेणे रेजिस्टर केल्या की ती मर्डर केस म्हणून. सो आम्ही हे डेलिगेशन घेवन येयल्ली मेमोरेंडम दिवपाक की हे केसीचो निकाल बेगीतल्या बेगीन जावचो आणि फेर जावचो. हेच्या फाटसून जे कोण आहात त्यांची सारकीच चौकशी जावची. हेतून हांव नको पॉलिटिकल प्रेशर असलो काय कितें असलो कित्याक तेंच्यांनी केस लिपयली ते भुरग्याचे एविडन्सूय सगळे उडयल्ले आसा. सो आमकां जाय की तेंच्यांनी ही केस बऱ्यांतली बरी इन्व्हेस्टिगेट करची.
सोमते सिद्धी नायकाचे केसी घातला त्याच्या खातीर आमी सारखे थँक्यू म्हणटा तेका गोंयभरचे सगळे बायलां नॉट ओन्ली TMC बट ऑल द फ्रॉम ऑल द लेडीज आमी तेका थँक्यू म्हणटा. पूण जे पयली मिस्टेकी जाल्या त्या केसीन ते केस हांगा तशा मिस्टेकी जावंक जायना आणि सारखे क्लेरिफाय करपाक जाय की तो कोण अपराधी आणि हेच्या वयर आमकां पॉलिटिकल प्रेशर किंवा आनी कितें जर येता जाल्यार ते आमकां नाका.
Let inquiry take place thoroughly. Family also. Let truth comes out. Why only blame police all the time?
We are not blaming police. We are not blaming police.
ब्लेम करपाचे कारण पयली सुसायड म्हणून कशी डिक्लेअर केला आणि आता कित्याक मर्डर म्हणून जालो. त्याच्या पासून कितें तरी लिपलेले आसा न्हू ते फाइंड आउट जावपाक जाय.
It appears that you people, whoever are holding your phones, do not want anything to happen to the police. We are a group of less than 10 people.
But we never
as a
said like that.
delegation.
You're wrong,
Let me-
No. We don't want
As a
Case
delegation,
20,
we are,
taking
as a
registered
delegation, we only are less than 10 people. For less than 10 people, we have 56 cops.
Yeah.
We have 56
That is
cops
different matter.
for
That is
less
different
than
matter.
10
You have to
people.
ask for the cops.
This is the problem with the police. That where they have to deploy 56 people, they are not deploying. In this case, they should have had all these number of police people. They did not.
Madam,
How
तुम्ही-
can
You
one
are investigation to
तुम्ही
for
सांगितलं
five-
नाही, वडला मोर्चा घेऊन
for
येता म्हणून
five-
पहिली.
for
कोणा
five
सांगितलं?
months-
मोर्चा घेऊन येता म्हणून
कोणे
तुम्ही
सांगितलं?
declare केलं नाही.
five
मोर्चा म्हणून
months.
कोणी सांगितलं?
तुम्ही प्रेस नोट धाडल्या
For 5 months.
तुका खबर ना तू
For
उलोवंक नाका
5
तू वगैरे उलयता
months,
हांव
these
तेजे कडेन उलयता
56 police
तुका
did not
खबर
do
ना.
anything in this case for 5 months. And now they are doing. It is only and only because we have and because he has raised his voice continuously. When you talk about a woman being at night anywhere, should she die? Should she be raped? Can the men not stop raping? Will you all not ask that question? Why is it about the woman? Why is it about the girl? She's 19 years old. She will go wherever she has to go. We have parties, yeah, this is a party destination. I'm not saying that she went for a party. We all go. Everybody goes, you go.
Madam, this
Do
is
you
not a
get
question of
raped?
rules and regards. We have our culture. That
Our
culture we have to
culture is a
follow.
party culture. Goa culture is a party culture. Let us please not be by माशे भितर वचोन आनी आमगे चोडवां भायर वतात, आमगे चोडवां फॉरेनां वतात, आमगे चोडवां सगळे जाग्यार वतात. They go to study, they go to do business, they go to work, they go to improve their dreams, they go to improve their life, and some of them under the Constitution of India. It is allowed under the Constitution of India. It is not allowed to rape. So you please, as soon as the person is arrested over here, you please come back, ask that rapist, ask that murderer why he did what he did, what he was doing at night. You ask them, don't ask the girl. Thank you. Now please go.
Meanwhile, New Kalangut PI Lakshi Amonkar says that the murder case was registered by then PI Nolasco Raposo on the 28th of December, and he took charge of Kalangut on the 31st of December. Very first minute, he has begun and added that the investigation to this case has begun. Watch.
with one memorandum. Actually तेंच्यांनी काल कितें सांगलेलें की ते घेराव बी घालतले पुलीस स्टेशनार, पूण आज तेंच्यांनी येवन आमकां मेमोरंडम दिला रिक्वेस्टिंग फॉर अ फेअर एंड ट्रान्सपरंट इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन इन सिद्धी नाईक केस. तितून कितें आय हॅव टेकन चार्ज ऑन 31st. I have gone through the case papers. Whatever investigation is left will be done. Investigation will be done in all the angles. काय लूपहोल्स उरचे ना हितून.
अशें म्हणटात की तुमी जेन्ना हांगा जॉयन जाले तेन्ना ती केस रजिस्टर जाल्या. नेमकी केन्ना केस रजिस्टर जाल्या, नेमकी कितें तेच्या फाटल्यान?
ना केस रजिस्टर पयलीं जाल्या. PI रापोस नॉलास्को रापोस तेणें रजिस्टर केल्ले मर्डर ऑफेन्स आनी म्हाका इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन हँड ओवर केलें ताणें. पळय आमची आय हॅव ऑलरेडी स्टार्टेड माय इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन इन दीस केस. ते अल्टिमेटम दिले म्हणून तशें जायना ते 24 hours. आतां इन्क्वायरी चालू आहा. वी हॅव टू रावंड अप पिपल्स विटनेसीस फॉर ते सगळे एक्झामीन करपाक जाय. We'll do our job.
Investigation starting from the ABCD or continue?
ना फुल इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन जातलें.